Usapang budget phone muna tayo today guys. This is the Poco C71. Ang dami sa inyo nagre-request sa akin na i-try ko i-review itong Poco C71. Kung sulit ka ba siya at the sub 3,000 peso mark. So since nahiram ko lang to sa aking friend, wala akong nakuhang box, wala akong nakuhang charger and cable. So we'll dive straight to this phone kung sulit nga ba siya o hindi. Pag-usapan natin. Na itong Poco C71 na may 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, presyo niya is 3,699. And ang ganang 4128 is priced at 4,499. I'll post the link on the description box below or pwede mo lang i-click yung icon dyan sa screen ko para dumiretso kayo sa YouTube shopping link. Kapag tinignan mo itong phone na ito, very simple lang siyang tingnan. It has two-tone color. Meron ka shiny na medyo plasticky feel na black dito sa gilid and the other side is matte finish. I kinda like yung kanyang camera module dito. Hindi siya mukhang may mumurahin na phone. Meron din siya mga ibang colors and I kinda like yung kanyang color gold. And of course, nandiyan pa kayo ng audio jack, so for me, it's good. One thing na mapapansin mo dito sa phone na ito, pag hinawakan mo, medyo mas matangkad siya and hindi siya ganun kalapad. So one-hand texting, coast to coast, wala kang maging problema. One thing to dislike sa kanya is of course, naka-teardrop notch pa rin siya and medyo makapalangan yung bezels. Pero good thing na lang is pwede mo i-turn on yung kanyang virtual RAM, so it helps pagdating sa multitasking. Hindi siya totally useless to yung virtual RAM, pero in terms of mga devices like this one, yung mga 3 gigs of RAM, 4 gigs of RAM, makakatulong ang virtual RAM to give you a little bit more extra kick pagdating sa memory. And by the way guys, this is running Android version 15 na Go edition. Pagdating sa benchmark, at the very least, it was able to get a 365,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark version 11. And here are the other benchmark kung gusto nyo makita. Overall experience ko on day-to-day tasks like making phone calls, texting, social media, Viber, WhatsApp, okay naman, kaya naman na i-handle, no? But there are times na pag medyo dumami ng mga apps na naka-open dito, doon mo mafe-feel na medyo magiging sluggish tong phone na ito. Lalo na kung naka-turn off yung virtual memory. So I highly urge na dito sa phone na ito, i-turn on nyo lang. Walang problema. Now kung gusto mo makita ang full specs ng Poco C71, here you go. Even though na hindi ganun kalakihan ng kanyang battery, it's just 5,200 mAh, pero I would say na sobrang tipid nito sa battery. You can even use this as a tethering device or you can use this as your second backup device. By the way, this one supports 15 watts na charging, so medyo slow siya. Nung ginamit ko tong phone na ito, no, let me tell you guys, it can last me almost 3 days without charging. Kasi sobrang tipid ng battery niya. And to further backup yung pinagsasabi ko, 20 hours and 31 minutes ang kanyang screen on time na nakuha ko dito. In terms of display, this phone isn't the best kasi IPS LCD lang naman to. At the very least, it has a 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Pero mind you guys, yung 120Hz nito gumagana lang sa settings. And I don't think you'll find it anywhere na mag-120 siya other than settings. Dito sa home screen, 90Hz lang siya. Most of the apps, halos puro 60Hz lang siya. And pagdating naman sa display, this can only let you watch 720p na videos. Pero kung nag-browse ka naman sa social media dito, I think personally, wala mang maging problema dito basta you have stable, good internet connection. Browsing naman, mag-loading naman mga videos like sa YouTube Shorts, sa TikTok, walang maging problema dito. The only time na nahirapan na mag-browse dito is nung pangit ang connection ko with dito SIM. And kung nagbabrowse ka naman on outdoors at medyo malakas ang sikat ng araw, medyo mahirapan ka kundi kasi mababa ang peak brightness nito at just 600 nits. Kung nanonood ka naman ng video dito, I would say, okay, not bad. It can pass naman kahit paano watching a 720p videos dito. Honestly, if you're paying sub 3,000 peso and getting this kind of video, I would say na not bad at all. Now guys, I tried to listen to music dito using the loudspeaker. Medyo mahina siya kunti and it only has one loud firing speaker dito sa ibabaw. So I would suggest na gamitin mo yung headphone jack dito to give you a better experience. Or best, use a TWS na wireless headphones. Now, I did try to play at least 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Honor of Kings. Both of these games kaya namang mag-perform, except na si Call of Duty Mobile medyo nahirapan ng konti kasi feeling ko nagkakaroon siya ng mga frame drops. Though wala akong nakita FPS counter dito, pero ramdam ko yung pag-drop ng FPS. Lalo na kung nagsuswing ka ng left to right, medyo parang bitin ako. And though the touch response is okay, pero yung movement niya medyo parang restricted kasi nilagay ko sa highest graphical settings na kaya niya. So, I would suggest that i-lower down mo yung graphical settings to give you a better, smoother experience dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Honor of King, it gave me a better experience. Hindi ko naman siya tinaasan ng graphical settings just to let me play this game better. Nakapag-dalawang game ako dito, roughly more than 30 minutes. And it was quite okay. It's quite smooth naman experience ko except talaga magte-teleport mga kalaban mo kasi given na this is a T7250 na processor, you just have to set yung expectation with this niya. But overall, I can say playable to both games. And pinakamainit na nabot ko is just 39 degrees Celsius. Pag-usapan natin quickly ang kanyang camera. 32MP na rear camera sensor and a 8MP na front-facing shooter. Both can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now, pagdating naman sa mga outdoor shots na nakuha natin, honestly, masasabi ko sa'yo, pwede na. There are times na madali siya mag-focus and there are times na medyo hirap siya mag-focus. Pansin ko lang naman yung mga greens niya is a little bit more of the darker shade ng greens ang attack niya. Pero there are times no, na hit and miss siya. May times na makakuha ka ng some really nice na shot like this one. Yung kanang color is almost accurate naman kanang color. But there are times na medyo mas mapapansin mo like this one is medyo mas namumuti siya. Nag-overexpose naman siya. So, like I said, it's a hit or miss. Pagdating naman sa indoor, you'll be able to get some good snap. Pero yung nga lang, there are times na talagang medyo na-out of focus siya mag-isa. So, talagang kailangan mo tuldukin kung ano gusto mo i-focus just to be able to let you focus it better. Now, honestly, to my surprise, itong beam shot na ito, pag hindi mo zoom mo, akala mo clear na clear. Pero zoom mo, it's a little bit more of a softer. Pero hindi siya sabog, to my surprise. Meron pa mga ibang camera at this price point na medyo mas sabog pa. If you're trying to use yung kanyang 2x zoom na camera, pag zoomin mo tong menu board na ito, pansin ko na medyo blurred na siya, napipixelate na siya. If you're using the front-facing camera naman outdoor, okay, not so bad naman, given na it's a 8MP, pero quite decent na para sa akin ng mga shots na nakuha ko dito on outdoors. And if you bring it indoor, expect mo na talagang magiging soft na siya, pretty much a given na para sa akin. Here's some samples ng video using the front-facing camera. Ang front-facing camera ni Poco C71, if you're using it for vlogging, 1080p and 30fps ang kanyang resolution. Medyo matagtag konti. What can you say? And here's a video sample naman using the rear camera. Ito naman ang rear camera ni Poco C71. Also shooting at 1080p and 30fps. It's a little bit shaky. Quality is not far from yung kind of front-facing camera. What do you think, guys? Now, overall, itong Poco C71, kung mabibili mo to sa roughly mga 3,000 plus pesos, I would say not bad. This phone can perform, lalo na no, nung ginagamit ko siya as my tethering device, makunat to. Nakapag-tether ako ng 2 days and I think may natira pa ako roughly mga 30+% na battery left on this phone. Which is quite good. Pag 3,000 plus pesos na phone, gamitin mo siya pang tether, pwede mo pa nga siyang gamitin habang nagte-tether, walang problema tong phone na ito. You can use this as your backup device. Pero kung talagang budgeted ka and all you need is just basic text, calls, social media, pwede na itong phone na ito. Si Poco C71. Now, if you're interested to know kung saan mo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll post the link on the description. And if you know anyone na naghanap ng mga budget phone just like this one, don't forget to share this video to them. And of course, in-encourage ko kayo mag-like, subscribe sa aking channel so you don't miss out on any videos just like this one. So, paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.